Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do the 16 missed calls TikTok trend. So the first thing that we need is an editing app and some images or some video clips of yourself. So we're going to go ahead and launch CapCut, after which we're going to select an image of you at a time in your life when someone said something mean to you, you felt insecure, or before you glowed up. So we're going to go ahead and select a blank screen, after which we're going to select an image of you after you glowed up. So now that we have all the pictures together, you can also do this with video clips of yourself. We're just going to go ahead and adjust the video clips because we want the entire video itself to be 9 seconds. So now that the video clip is edited, we're going to go ahead and add some text. So for the first picture or video clip that you used, you're going to basically put some words that were said to you that made you feel insecure, and you're just going to go ahead and type that and add it to the image, and you're going to adjust so this fits the first image perfectly. Then after which, for the black background, we're going to add 16 missed calls on this one, and we're going to adjust it accordingly. Okay, now that we've finished adding the text, we're going to go ahead and delete the end screen. I'm going to show you guys the preview. So this is what it's supposed to look like, and after which you can simply go ahead and add the audio and export, and you can simply find the video in your camera roll. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you liked this video, leave a comment, leave a like on this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel because it helps. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.